Another day is another week. Right now I have a list of confluences to start off this live trading video. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Najee. I've been trading for 5 years, and what I'm basically doing is trading live to show you the process of taking wins, losses, and break evens. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, they're all live trading videos, so go ahead and watch that. So if I show y'all the orders from today, as you can see, it's blank right here for the FXify account. And then if we go over right here to like here, you can see no trades were taken. So we're going to show up tomorrow, follow the same process, follow the rules, and see what the week is heading for. Second day of the trading week, and I see two potential opportunities. I'm thinking about either taking a short from right here to target the previous day's low, or if we have the move and it already starts, I can either take a buy position from this previous day's low to take it higher. So those are the two trade ideas. I'm gonna see what it's headed for. But at the same time, I'm not gonna force anything if nothing really presents itself. All right, so I just got into a trade from one of my accounts. The other account looks like it's gonna get left. I'm just trying to get it to retrace a bit more, but I can do this. There you go. So I just got a trade entry right here. I'm gonna break even this one too. Actually, I'm gonna put it above here. My stops right here. Only because that's where I entered. Alright, so I just got stopped out at break even on that position. It is what it is. Let me just show y'all right here. This one, it was a 0.25 loss instead, because I was willing to put my stop a little bit above, because the first one was a better entry, but the second one was also a valid entry as well. So in my opinion, because of the way how price is moving right here, and it already reached the 1-to-1 break even area, I'm not gonna look for any trades, at least at this area right here. But if price does get to this previous day's low right here, I can watch it and potentially look for a long position, and that's probably the only trade idea I'll probably look for. Other than that, I don't see anything that's worth taking. So like I said today, as you can see by the chart right here, I took a $264 loss. I'm gonna just consider that a break even, because y'all saw I got a slightly later entry, but it was still a valid entry for a retracement. So I just took that because I was risking on 1%, so I'm gonna consider that a break even. And if we look at the 5%ers account, we took the break even right here. As you can see, $22 also break even. So it is what it is. We're gonna show up tomorrow. We're gonna follow the same rules, and yeah. All right, it is Wednesday right now. I got a list of confluences for shorts. Yeah, the day looks very self-explanatory. It looks clearly short to me, so I'm gonna try to look for shorts at this area when 9:30 hits, because I have a list of confluences, I have my reasons, and we're gonna see what it's hitting for. I just got into a trade just now, so we're gonna see. Alright, so I ended up getting stopped out at break even for this trade. It is what it is. Let me just take the image right here. I won't be entering another position right here because I did potentially expect price to reverse right here, because this was the previous day's low right here, and for the expectation it may push through, so this wouldn't be a good area because price can full on reverse maybe to this high. So if I was supposed to look for another trade opportunity, I'll probably do up here. Other than that, I don't see any other trade ideas that's worth taking. Alright, so it's the end of my trading session. As you can see, like I said, price missed by a little bit and ended up going down, hitting TP, but it is what it is. I followed the rules, I followed the process, but instead I ended up taking a break even, so I'm gonna just cancel these orders right here. Boom, canceled, and I'm not sure if I showed y'all the P&L history for the day, but as you can see right here, break even. And if we go to the 5%ers, as you can see right here, break even. So we're just gonna show up tomorrow. It's a new day. I have two potential trade ideas for shorts right here. I'm looking for around 9:30 for price to retrace into this area for me to get a short, or if I do get stopped out on this position, I do think price may can go short from this area right here, because this is a 4-hour zone right here as well. So those are two possible trade ideas, but I am liking this one right here because price already filled in all the gaps right here. It retraced to the 38.2 right here, but we gonna see for potential targets of the Asian session lows and the previous day's lows. But I don't need the whole move, I just need a 1 to 2 for one account. There we go, I got tagged into the trade. We took 2 break evens this week and this win today, so overall we're up for the week. It's been a beautiful month, so all we gotta do is just show up tomorrow, follow the same process, follow the rules. You get the gist of it. I'm just proving to y'all following rules is gonna make you money over time. So let's go over the history. So if we look over today right here, we made a total of $1,900 on this account, And then if we go over to my 5%ers account, made a cool $557 today. This trade right here was from yesterday. So in total we made I'll say $2,500. I'll just say $2,500. Okay, so it's the last day of the trading week. Right now I got a list of confluences for some shorts. The day looks very self-explanatory, just like yesterday. Price has been bearish and since the previous day, and bearish since the end of the session. So I'm just looking to get a continuation of that trend. So we're gonna see what today is hitting for. Also, on a good side note, on one of my challenges as well, I just need 1480 to pass, risking 1%. So we're gonna see if I can get like a nice little win on that as well. Alright, so I'm gonna end up canceling the orders because it's 11 o'clock right now. It is what it is. I ain't take no trades today, but it was a beautiful week. Last month was a beautiful month, and yeah, we're gonna go over the P&L for the week. Let's cancel that. Cancel. There we go. Just to show y'all today, I actually really didn't take any trades. And if we go on the 5%ers account, as you can see, I really didn't take any trades from the last 24 hours. It's just showing the trade that I had yesterday. So as you can see right here, 7-28, the start of the week to about right now. I don't know why that took so long to load, but we are up 536 and 31 cents for this account. And if we go over right here, so the start of the week to about right now, I'm gonna quickly calculate this and the total P&L. And for the Effectify account, I'm up $1,608.35 for the week. So if we add up both the 5%ers and that, I am up $2,144.66. Another profitable week. It was very good in my opinion. All I gotta do is just follow the same rules, follow the same process for this new month, and we're gonna see how we end off. So if we go over the month P&L, this is for the 5%ers account, this is for the Effectify. So I can calculate this as well. Now look at my trade idea just playing out. After my trading time, I just went to look to see what happened, but yeah, still didn't take no trades. Would have played out.